What is your name?
My name is Cherry.
Cherry, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now tell me, how old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
And how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Are you hungry?
No.
Are you cold?
No.
No, I'm not. Okay, give me a high five, please. Okay, what are the foods you like to eat? Ice cream. Do you like spaghetti?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Do you like banana?
Yeah.
No, I don't. What drink do you like?
I like water.
Water. Okay. Do you hate soda? Yes, I do. Okay. Now I hear a picture. Okay, now in this picture, we have children and they are doing something. Okay? Now tell me, what do you see?
I can see a radio.
Okay, what else is?
I can see boat.
Okay.
I can see a car.
Mhm.
I can see a bowl. I can see a tree. I can see two computers. I can see two beds.
Okay. Now what do you see on the wall? A wall, the board. On the wall, above the board. What's this? It's a lot. Okay, nice. Okay, now I have here different pictures. Tell me, what are they doing?
They are playing ball.
Okay, how about this boy? What is he doing?
He is asleep.
Okay, how about the boy under the table? What is he doing?
He is low.
Okay, he is hiding under the table, right? Okay, now tell me, what's this?
This is a zebra.
Zebra. Okay, take this and I want you to put the zebra under the tree outside the window. Under. Okay, now tell me, where's the zebra? Where is the zebra? The zebra is
Zebra is under tree.
under the tree. Very good. Next, what are these? These are crayons. Okay, put the crayons on the white table next to the radio. Where are the crayons? Where are the crayons? Okay, next. What's this? Okay, jigs. Put it between the red bag and the green bag. Between the bags. Okay, wait. Next. A hat. Okay, put it under the brown table behind the red bag. Under the table behind the red bag. Under the table behind the red bag. Under the table. Under. Okay. Now tell me, where is the hat? The hat. Okay, great. And last one, what's this? Okay. Now put it somewhere. Just put it somewhere. Where do you want to put the hamburger?